going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick video on changing the two serpentine belts on an mk5 Jetta. It's got the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder. These are the part numbers for the belts. So what we're going to have to do is jack this side of the car up, take the tire off, and then take the plastic cover off that's in there. And then we should be able to get to the belt tensioners so we can remove the belts. Alright, now that we got our tire off, we're going to want to take 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those 4 screws out so we can remove this water guard here. Then we should be able to get to the belts. This is a 8.5. 50 screws. Alright, there's another screw right there we're going to have to take out. Alright, you're going to need a 15mm socket in your ratchet, and you're going to want to go on this bolt right here, which is for your first tensioner for the front belt. You're going to want to go clockwise. That will loosen your tensioner. Take the slack off your belt. You can pull it right off. Let the tensioner down. And there's your first belt. Okay, so here's our second belt, which is pretty tight fit. I'll do the best to record this for you guys. Alright, our second belt. As you can see, it starts right here on the AC, goes up and around the tensioner, and then it goes to the water pump underneath the upper idler pulley. Let me jump up top. So we're right here. So it goes around the alternator and then comes right around the alternator, and then the back side of the belt goes on your lower idler pulley and then back down to the AC pulley. I will do my best to record this process for you guys, but it's a pretty tight fit in here, as you can see. So you're going to need a 15mm wrench for this, and that is your tensioner, and once again that's going to go clockwise to loosen the belt. Take your belt off your alternator. That's probably the easiest way to get it off. Pause it. Alright. So just take your belt off all the other pulleys. And jump underneath. There's your belt. Now the fun part is putting the new one back on. This one did have a rip. Yeah, right here. If your belt has that, it's definitely time to change it. Put your new belt around your AC pulley. Definitely would be good to have another hand. Now we'll come up top. Make sure you get all your slack out. Make sure your belt's on the pulley, on the AC correctly before you even start. Okay. So you got your belt started on your AC pulley. And we're gonna go up. I got it around the water pump. It's here, if you can see. Next, I need to grab this part of the belt. Let's run up on top of the tensioner pulley, which will be the back side of the belt. Alright, that was a big pain in the ass. Anyway, I started around the AC pulley and I left it off the tensioner. I made sure I got the belt around the coolant pump, and then underneath the upper idler pulley, around the alternator, and then back around the lower idler pulley. And then got my ratchet on the bottom of the belt, got the ratchet on the bolt, pulled the tensioner back, and I was able to put the belt on the tensioner pulley. It's quite the little task to get in here and do all that. Sorry I didn't get a good video for you guys, but that's the first belt. Around our crank pulley. Pull our tensioner up. Right onto the AC pulley, and you can release the tensioner. And that's how that belt goes. There you go. That's how you do both the serpentine belts on an mk5 Jetta with the 2.5 liter. It's not the funnest thing to do, that's for sure. You guys will find out. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.